Hello dear traders, you're watching the combined review of Forex and stock markets with me, Anna Kasarkina. The greenback strengthened on Friday, and yet it remained in the negative territory as the Fed's unexpected decision ruffled the market. The ICE US dollar index that shows the rate of the American currency in relation to six majors inched slightly up to 80.435 points from 80.377 registered late on Thursday night. Nevertheless, by the end of the week, the index slid by 1.2%, which was the second weekly drop. On Wednesday, the U.S. Federal Reserve voted to keep the stimulus program unchanged, which came as a surprise to the markets. This news pushed the dollar index to a 7-month low. Meanwhile, most economists had expected the Federal Open Market Committee to cut the bond buying program from $85 billion to $75 billion. Moreover, the pound weakened from its Thursday's level of $1.60.29 to $1.60.13. Last week, the British currency hit an 8-month high, having gained 0.9%. At the same time, the euro cost $1.35.23. It has hardly changed its position as compared to Thursday's quote of $1.35.27. Investors had been alert and cautious ahead of the federal election in Germany held last weekend. Analysts explained that traders had been apprehensive about a possible failure of the ruling party led by Angela Merkel. Had Merkel's party lost the election, the euro would have experienced the pressure of political uncertainties. However, the conservative bloc triumphed with 41.5% of the vote. Elsewhere, Wall Street was in the bearish mood on Friday, as the Fed hasn't shed any light on the future of the quantitative easing program. By the way, the last Friday was a so-called quadruple witching day. This September day features extreme volatility because stock index futures and options, as well as stock options and single stock futures, all expire on the same day. Aluminium giant Alcoa pulled Dow Jones down. The shares of Alcoa lost 1.8% as Friday was the last day of trades for blue-chip stocks. On Monday, Alcoa, Hewlett-Packard and Bank of America were kicked off Dow Jones Industrial due to falling stock prices. In their stead, Goldman Sachs Group Incorporated, Visa Incorporated and Nike joined the index. In addition, the quotes of Canadian smartphone manufacturer BlackBerry tumbled by 17% after the staff was reduced by 40%. The shares were also affected by a brutal preliminary financial report informing of a $1 billion lost in the second quarter. Meanwhile, on Monday, BlackBerry agreed to sell 100% of its stock to Fairfax Financial Holdings for $4.7 billion. In recent years, the smartphone producer has witnessed its profits steadily falling. The company has lost 90% of its value. And this was the latest combined review of Forex and stock markets from InstaForexs. See you next week. Bye.